always enjoy the cheerful first signs of spring when crocuses and daffodils start to bloom. If you didn't know, these plants that flower in the spring are actually planted as bulbs in the fall. If you're starting to see bulbs at your local garden center, that's a good indication that the time to plant bulbs is coming. When you're selecting bulbs, you want to look for large, firm bulbs. Avoid any bulbs that feel soft to the touch or have already sprouted. A larger bulb usually means that you're going to get a stronger, more vigorous plant in the springtime. If you need to store your bulbs before it's time to plant, you want to keep them in a cool, dry place. A basement or a garage is usually a great spot to store your bulbs. Store your bulbs until the soil temperature at planting depth is about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it's time to plant your bulbs so that you can enjoy them in the spring.